Three Door Concepts, a renowned architectural firm, was tasked with designing a serene, single-story, four-bedroom home nestled in the foothills of the Western Ghats in North Kerala. The client, Benil Thomas, sought a peaceful retreat that would honor the site's natural beauty and evoke memories of his childhood. The design team approached the project with a deep respect for the site's unique character. The building's form is simple yet striking, with two asymmetrical C-shaped structures mirroring each other around a central focal point, a majestic tree. This design strategy not only enhances the building's aesthetic appeal, but also maximizes natural light and ventilation. The interior design is equally minimalist, emphasizing natural materials and clean lines. The use of rubble masonry, dark textured concrete, gray floor tiles, and wooden window frames creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large glass windows offer panoramic views of the lush greenery, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. A key feature of the house is the open courtyard, which serves as a tranquil oasis. The courtyard is surrounded by 8-foot wide sit-outs, providing ample space for relaxation and contemplation. The design team has carefully considered the balance between privacy and openness, ensuring that the bedrooms offer a sense of seclusion while maintaining visual connections to the surrounding landscape. The interior spaces are thoughtfully designed to create a sense of harmony and balance. The living room, with its three-sided glass wall, is a breathtaking space that invites the outdoors in. The dining room features a custom-built wooden table and a striking wall rack, adding a touch of elegance to the minimalist aesthetic. The bedrooms are simple and serene, with minimal detailing and a focus on comfort. By seamlessly integrating the building into its natural surroundings, Three Door Concepts has created a truly exceptional home that celebrates the beauty of the Western Ghats. This project is a testament to the power of architecture to enhance our lives and connect us with the natural world.